Good morning, teacher. This may report the question of the fall. Question number one. What is the difference between Great Britain and the United Kingdom? The United Kingdom is a country that includes four nations: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Great Britain, on the other hand, is the island that includes only England, Scotland, and Wales. So the main difference is that Great Britain does not include Northern Ireland, while the United Kingdom does. Question number two. What is the best English music festival? I think the best English music festival is Glastonbury. It's very famous and brings together artists from all over the world. People go not only for the music, but also for the experience, the camping, the food, and the atmosphere. Question number three. Do English people really drink a lot of tea? Yes, they do. Tea is a big part of English culture. Many people drink several cups a day, especially in the afternoon. Afternoon tea is even a traditional custom, usually with sandwiches and sweets. Thank you.